This 2025 Coachmen Chaparral Lite 284RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 34 feet 2 inches in length and features a SLATE interior, sleeps 4, stovetop burner, TV, LP detector, DVD player, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, microwave, water heater, air conditioning, leveling jacks, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Coachmen Chaparral Lite 284RL is 9,138 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.